In this video, you'll learn how to add emphasis in Elevenlabs using specific brackets to modify the tone and stress of your text. By following these instructions, you will enhance the expressiveness of your spoken content effectively. To begin, open the Elevenlabs interface where you typically input your text. Once the screen is visible, locate the text input area where you can enter your desired script. Ensure that you have a clear understanding of the types of emphasis available, as this will guide your text modifications. Next, to add a stronger stress to a word or phrase, enclose it in brackets using the format emphasis. For example, if you want to express happiness, you would type, "I am, emphasis, very happy to see you." This syntax signals to the system to place additional emphasis on the word very. After that, if you need to convey a very strong tone, use the format strong. For instance, typing, this is strong, important, will make the word important stand out with a heightened level of emphasis. This allows listeners to recognize the significance of the statement more effectively. In circumstances where a gentle tone is required, apply the format soft. An example would be, please speak, please soft quietly. This will instruct the voice model to deliver the word quietly in a softer manner, creating a more delicate auditory experience. Once you have made your selections and typed your text with the appropriate emphasis markers, review your input to ensure everything is correctly formatted. It is crucial to verify that you have not missed any brackets, as this could affect the final output. After confirming your text, proceed to generate the audio to hear the emphasis in action.